Cruise by Mandy. Here I'm on the back or aft part of the ship, the Allure of the Seas, and I'm going to turn around and show you what it looks like here in Port Falmouth, Jamaica. Falmouth is about 18 miles, if I remember right, east of Montego Bay. And Ocean Rios is the other way. You're going to see in the distance. The pool I was at earlier at Margaritaville is right down below. And since Disney Fantasy is here, if you've seen my videos of Disney Fantasy, some a little higher, you do have the aqueduct up there. They do strictly adhere to the height minimum. I know my own daughter was about a 1/4 inch too short. She was tall enough when she had her water shoes on, or water socks, but she had to remove those and it made her too short. So we did Disney Fantasy and she couldn't even ride with the buddy on that one. So always check for kids' height before booking, if there's a certain water slide you know they want. But Disney Fantasy is here because of rerouting due to the tropical storms. You do see the buses heading back from dropping people off from excursions. Lots of bamboo rafting that you could do. Margaritaville does have its own catamaran excursion here. See people coming back into the ports over there. And just like any port, it is a secure area where you do have to show your ID and ship card to get back inside the port. Anyway, Cruise by Mandy signing off from here in Falmouth, Jamaica, at sea in class tomorrow, and the following day in Cozumel doing the Save the Turtle experience. Have a wonderful day wherever you